So we finally got the side steps that we had on order. Rolling Big Power. These are the RX3 side steps. These are for the 2021 Tacoma that we've got. All right, so yeah, 5 months these things were on order. So first of all, we ordered these through a online retailer named Race Consulting Associates. It was the best deal I could find online for them. They were a little bit under $500, and it was the best price I found. So they're Rolling Big Power. They are the RX3 side steps, and depending on what website you look at, it says it may or may not fit the 2020 Tacoma. So here to tell you that they work just fine. Even the box they were shipped in, the label said on there 2005 through 2017, so the label on the box wasn't even updated. But you know, when you buy new model year vehicles, you like to try to wait till the websites get updated to make sure it's going to fit, so to make sure there's no material changes with the new vehicle. So there wasn't for this one. Really easy to put on. There's 3 mounting positions right there, right there, right there. 2 13mm bolts for each mounting position. So, you know, super simple. Was able to do it by myself. Crawled under there and was able to lift them up and put the bolts in there. So it was on order for 5 months. So, I kept getting updates from the Race Consulting Associates people, and they, would put a date on there. That date would come and go, and we still wouldn't get them shipped. So finally called Rolling Big Power myself, and so these things were manufactured in China, and so the guy said, well, do you have the electric steps on order? And I said, no, but he said the electric steps, the factory that makes those was actually is actually in Wuhan, China. And so that factory is shut down. And he said that anyone that has the electric steps ordered, they can expect that it's going to take like up to a year to actually receive those. So, these took 5 months, so still a long, long time. So, obviously COVID's affected all of us in one way or another, but, just because you don't see things in front of you actively affected by COVID, there's still other places in the world where it's still a problem. So anyhow, really like these steps, like the design of them a lot. You see it got the stainless steel down in there. It's got the logos cut out on both of them. I like the wire mesh as well. So I think these look a whole lot better than the Toyota Predator ones that you can get from the dealer. Like these a whole lot better. One thing we really liked about them was they seem to stick out just a little bit. So should make it harder to get door dings from cars at the store parking lots and stuff like that. So and they seem to be very, very sturdy. So once again, if you look at the websites, some of them may or may not be updated to show that they fit the brand new Tacomas, but here to tell you that the RX3 it should be for the 2005 through current day through 2021 double cab. They work just fine, bolt up just fine.